How to add PayPal debit card to Apple Wallet. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To add your PayPal debit card to Apple Wallet, firstly navigate and tap Open your wallet in your iOS device. Once your wallet is launched, at the very top you will see a plus sign icon. You can tap on it. If not, just click on the Add button which is present in the wallet. To add your wallet, you can add cards, keys, and passes. As we want to add our PayPal debit card, select the option of debit or credit card. Now you basically have two ways to add your card. Firstly is to hold near reader, that is, turn around your PayPal debit card and make it close as possible to your device. If not, to add the card details manually, you have to enter your name and your card number, that is the 16-digit. Either way, you will be able to successfully add your PayPal debit card to your Apple Wallet. Once it is added successfully, you could easily find it in your wallet, something like this. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.